Hi guys and welcome back again to Scorpion underscore Queen TV, where if you want to hear gossip, if you want to hear politics, if you want to hear a little bit of this and a little bit of that, that is what we do over here. Just a search for a little line-minded people along the way. So in today's videos, guys, we're gonna be looking at Annie family again because for them saga is never ending. So now, because Anna come out and talk all the things her mom used to do to them when they were children. And Anna come and Anna say how Annie used to sell them and people. Remember, say you can sell people in many different ways, you know. You know, most of you say, all right, see $500, yeah, see the person, yeah, give me the $500. No, there are many ways where you can do it. Sometimes it is strategic in how you do it to make it come across like that is not what you're doing. Yes, so in this video, we're going to be having a look at how Annie is explaining the situation and Annie's response. Not Annie, Anna.
You stuck out the bar, you open up the bar, and the guy come in there, come buy a drink or something. He said to me, say, Anna, sometimes you have to use the head, you know. You see all them man here? You see like when you was a young girl, them are going to jump for you. So what you are going to do? Use the head and talk to the man here so you can get her fine. Me do anything for you. So if you say the word, you are going to do it.
I don't want you to call me phone, Anna. I don't want you to check up on me. What I want you to do, I want you to speak the truth and let me know. And I'm not talking about social media. And when they say truth, I want you to sit down before you started to talk. I want you to talk to me and tell me when I sell you. And if you cannot tell me that truth, me I gonna use everything when I have and me I get a lawyer. Me I get a lawyer, me fix me tongue good. Me, Tamika, I carry you, Alia, Spencer, and I take it to court.
We buy too much in food. Then I sold the jean pants, I mean I shorts. And the braid here in a grey. Right? You stuck out the bar, you open up the bar, and the guy comes in there, come buy a drink or something. He said to me, say, Anna, sometimes you have to use the head, you know. You see all them man here? You see like when you was a young girl, them are going to jump for you. So what you are going to do? Use the head and talk to the man here so you can get her fine. Me do anything for you. So if you say the word, me are going to do it. Me do anything where you ask me to do. So if I say the word, I'm going to do it. So I say, alright then, I'm going to talk to him, even when I'm never interested in speaking to this man. His name is Demar. Them time when I fool, I go around him, do the flirtation thing, make sure I say my clothes job for me, make sure I say, I did have a dance or something, and see him come back and me and wind up or something. And when the bar lock, remember say him they carry me home. I ask for my number. And I ask the mommy what I'm going to do after that. He said, tell him say you want $15,000. Remember for 15 or $10,000. He said, text him, make him know say I don't want $10,000 to do your ear. You need it urgent. Mommy, what me I tell like for? Even when the boy go around me, I don't want to send me money. Say, mommy, you know say the boy go around me. Every time I go in that car, I touch you and touch me about all these things. He said, if I use my head, I try to get the money from him. And I did do it. And you became the money come give. Then time they did I try talk to one brown, one black boy. I can't remember his name, you know. One black boy. I remember the black boy name, you know, because I did young them time there. So, and the guy was never interested in you. And me him come after. Is your things wicked? I remember when the guy name, you know, but he play football. You like him. You said me to tell him, say, you like him, and I did. But to how the guy moved around, I realized he's not really interested in you as my mama. Me, Alessandra. He might come after. Until one time I got shopping, tap me and asked me how I'm so pretty. You're one of the most beautiful girls I ever met. So I said, oh, if you say that you're there with your mother. You know, so I don't want your mother, and you really the role your mother to talk to. I'm going to come back and tell you. Remember say, when we did my finger, you pick a kick out, you know. I will end up to go to them our house and stay with them until we can find fear to go back home and watch it. Why would I lie? Why would I lie? What do I tell lie, Pop? If you want to go court, you can't go court. But not tell a lie. So when I sit down yourself, I'm a ton big woman. I'm see a car is such that they go around that the man there. I'm see him get 5 bills the first time. And then when they get the 5 bills and she gone a female, we realize that it's the same thing you do to me when me did look at it. And same thing you do to me when me did look at it. And you want ball and take God off my cross. But I'm going to tell you like you. I'm going to do anything for you. Tell me jump over the moon, jump over the moon for you. But I'm going to tell you like you. I'm going to tell you the truth, you dislike me, you fuck, you hate me. I'm going to tell you the truth, you dislike me. You better me just keep it in and pretend like nothing never happened. That's the man without a good right now. Straight up. As I say, if you want to camera coat, the camera coat. I don't really care, because it's the truth. If you want camera coat, the camera coat. You know, when I fight, that's your problem. Because if it wasn't a lie, you wouldn't live for the situation. So, we love you more than what you can think. We love you fuck. We love you till one time make you walk for me. We love you till you can't send me, you can't take anything out of my pocket. You can't do anything for me, do it. But one of them times, they look up to myself and say, you want me, hate me so, bro. No matter what me do, you just hate me. No matter what me do, me can never make you proud of me. And always your son. You see him stinking boy come treat you like shit. You pretend with me, you put me through hell and back. The man over there will put me through hell and back. The internet put me through hell and back. No, me have my first daughter. You still want to do it. You don't really respond to me and you feel. I don't care anymore. In a business, I notice our other sister, what she do, she block off every connection. She don't want to deal with nobody. She don't want to run the internet. She don't want to have nothing to do with you. And she a little girl for me. I think we can do the same. Just do it one step at a time. You will come round. You will come round one day. I believe that. And I don't do nothing so bad. I don't do nothing evil as how your son do you. You come out and talk some foul things out of my mouth. There's some things I'm not to say. But we deserve love just like everybody. And you are my mother. You are my mother. See, the boy, even the same stinking red dirty boy. The mother can call him and say, oh, what, and then cuss. And my later, she that I call him back. I ask him if he alright. He eat. I make me can't go on the phone. But make me can't call you and call me and tell me, say, me not like this, and me go sue you. Pussy hole, anything you want to do. But every time you come try to bring me down for life. You ring off your phone today to find out if you eat, if you're alright. I'm not going to come in here and go fling to rock stone and me head, because I don't want to stay a war boat. What maybe you someone? It don't happen already, mommy. It don't happen already. If you don't want me to use the word sell, me don't know what kind of word we can use. But it don't happen already, and it's the truth. You want to hate me for that? No problem, but me not tell no lie. You know me. You tell me from me a little girl, I'm going to be the one to say the guy jail because I chat too much. Me a turn big woman, I got my own picking me. You can't keep on doing this over again with you. I need clap that.
So guys, you're gonna tell me that all Anna try to explain things to her mother. You're gonna tell me say Annie can't say what the kids are saying, or Annie can't just say where she went wrong and what she might need to do moving forward. Instead of that, she gonna come out and attack all type of things and everything Annie carry on the media. Sometimes you have to just make some things stay off of the media, and everything you can carry upon the media, man. Good God, no sir. Yeah, your generation, them can't just operate like that. You understand me? You do a lot of things and you go through a lot of trauma. It's like a generational trauma pass from one to the next to the next to the next. And nobody now said wrong.
On the phone, Anna. I don't want you to check up on me. What I want you to do, I want you to speak the truth and let me know. And I'm not talking about social media. I'm talking about you having truth. want you to sit down before you started to talk. I want you to talk to me and tell me when to sell you. And if you cannot tell me the truth, me I gonna use everything when I have and me I get a lawyer. Me I get a lawyer, me fix my tongue good. Me, Tamika, I carry you, Alia, Spencer, and me I take you to court. I don't want anyone who said anything to me until you can come and talk to me. So you see for me right now, I want to take the joke and it will breeze over the internet and it doesn't kiss your teeth and you want walla black. Walla black come out of my life. I don't care. This is what you have a pint where your mama not figure. You see when your daughter come to you and your daughter tell you say,
Spencer.
you know say mommy somebody tried to rape me.
Spencer.
Don't you ever tell them see a lie them and don't you ever try to use that because you do it the first time you laugh at me and tell people say a lie me and tell them no you alone and me forgive you come back and this empty. Don't you ever fucking do that because you don't know what me got through. Wish me did have a job can give you some money. That's why me sell me pussy and get the blood clot money. That's why me don't ramp to sell me crutches and get the money. I kill her for me like how Zoe gone. When you going to walk and shoot off you, why? You see one I think, Anna, what me can say, on a been through a rough life and me job gonna through that as a mother when me couldn't provide. It is really rough. Never a day in your life, me ever look upon you as your mother and tell us if you sleep with a man for money. Put me in a school. You tell me say you not no money. You can't afford it. You go through enough things. You got for me no man. You go through enough things. And me say okay. Me say don't worry, mommy. Remember see I'm me, you know. I'm me. Alia Spencer, when you go and go shake your body for a pole. When you go out, they're going to do what you want to do. I mean, take care of every fucking body. Me sit down and wash clothes till me fucking weak. That's why me feel it is that way. Because I thought me used to fucking go through.
Stop your contact, just come here.
I thought me go through, brother. Let off for me, not down here. Let off for me, man. Let off for me. Let off for that bad man.
Yes, you have to express it.
Nobody no feel me pain, bro. Everybody have me as a liar. What me I tell lie for?
Take a breath.
What me I tell lie for?
But you know, say I tell a lie, brother. If you believe say a truth and you know say a truth, you don't need to.
Every day.
You're not busy about recommendation for nobody, bro.
Every time you come up on the internet,
Drink some water.
you tell lie for me.
Hello. Just drink some water.
You come with weird stories. You come bring down my character. I'm your daughter. I'm not trouble you. Come and tell us yourself, me bro, I can't live for me son. 40 days and 40 nights, you live from blood clots, so we saw enough. And the man will post our video enough. If I live from blood clots, so we saw. And the man will post our bomber clot video, justice would be served. But I'm me alone, you have blood clot strength for. Eh? And me alone, you have strength for. What me do you? You can't allow me alone. No, me man. You come on down to a different type of story when you go so you know it's a lie. You fabricate anything. One thing you is a good liar. When I tell the people and the reason why Zoe freaking a mother because they tell lie. Says Ricky our father. When I know it's your Martin and Zoe father. When I tell the people them say little girl find out your Martin and your father when you tell lies say Ricky and Zoe father. And I tell Ricky lies say Zoe have cancer. And she need machine oxygen for breathe and the man has so much hundreds of thousands. And you take your mind land up picking in them. Why am I gonna tell them that? Why not allow me alone? Say it's me a crosses. Bro, allow me alone, man. Me tired. Every day you come up on the internet and ball, you's a good mother, everybody know you's a good mom. You cook your food and take care of everybody. But good damn man, you can't get up and build so much store for your picking in them, you live for your picking in them PM. You see now we come out here, come build a video about Zoe. I for TikTok and defend the little girl in a bad man. And you alone me see a post for YouTube consistently about what's going on in the little girl life. If build some kind put on tattoo. You feel like
come build story upon man and tell lie. But that's a damn lie. And then they want to call me wicked. And out of your see me come from. Hey lady, don't ramp with me now. Cause we wish we didn't have father now. We like to tell you the truth, you know, cause you're lying up. You can't lie, so. Bill, man. Me only pick you in the St. God's school and come out come blame you. Me only pick the way where we sit down and wash your clothes, wash my brother clothes, wash my sister clothes, wash pot, cook, clean. Until I come up, cause I love you. And I say, well, me I go out there and work, so I have to help mommy too. Wish me did have a job can give some money. That's why me sell me pussy and give the blood clot money. That's why me don't ramp me sell me crutches and give the money. Why you allow me? Why you don't leave me alone? You can't get up and cuss about the past every day. You can't get up and cuss about the past every day. The past is the past, the present is the present. Move the fuck on. Move on. Not what you do can't go change. The only thing you go to do is try to bring down my character. The people come at me every time. I think nobody like me. I think even you like me. What you try to do? What you try to do? I try my best. I try my best because I know I'm not perfect. I'm one of the most wickedest blah 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 blah. I try my best. I try my best. I'm sure that's what I check. I can't see the hate in your eye. Me say you hate me. With no, yo, you hate me, you fuck. You hate me. Me call you to them, me give you by tomorrow if you go on the internet, go tell lie for me. What me do you? You can't get up and build story for people, so. Me look upon you as my mother. I'm tell you say somebody great me. Even tell you say your one father touch me. You tell me say me a liar. Me a liar. Me a wicked. How dare you? And I knew what my mother. You want me to come to and confide in and tell anything that happened to me. That's how you put in the stairs. So that's how all you put in the stairs. You come like an open fridge. You come like an open fridge. Everything I feel like you have to come out and chat. If Red Hands will clap me down now and kick me off of my blood clot foot, me can't say, Mommy, Red Hands lick me down, no. Tomorrow upon live, shan, for blood clot, people come bring them. And I want to steal, man. I said, I'm steal by myself. You don't allow me alone. Leave me. You're going to talk about home, I got sue Anna. I got sue Anna for everything what she do and come out contact. When I saw the big thinking, long cocky stink out boy, you come out compose your blood clot pitney and humiliate your child and half a blood clot eat and they got find 2 years ago. Eh? Why am I have money to go waste pan? Eh? You couldn't waste their money there when me walk a blood clot school. Why am I have time to waste pan? You think I'm me alone don't pay a bit, you have enough suing for do. And I'm me alone to get sued. So after you sue me, you go after the other one then. Don't play with me, man. Because I'm not disrespect you. I'm not trouble you. And you still not trouble me. You hate me, bro. You're so stinking blood clot people up in their box and they're not telling you the truth. Rest, brother. Rest your mouth. Rest your eye. Your eye then tired of balling now. How much you have been forced out the tears about your blood clot eye till they swell. Chill, man. Leave me alone. You know much things inside of my heart. You know much things inside of my heart. When me want to let go, I think me can't let it go prior.
See, as me play a song, me I go say this. See, the little girl, boom, fat. Remember, you know, and me alone I say it in the start of the world, see it, you know. The little girl, when named Zoe, and the daughter are boom, fat. As there's a G-O-D.
Termites are known as the silent destroyer and are often detected only after severe damage is visible. Termites cause an estimated $5 billion in property damage.
So they don't intelligent enough. They don't clever enough. They don't intelligent enough. some people when they hype up and talk. You see? And when police back him down, he get nervous. He can't explain himself. Tell me.
You feel our three girl picking it in.
Don't matter if she
She feel them one by one in a one bulk.
Please listen to me.
She can't make go sell me. She can't make her go sell her. And then have Zoe down there like she you just a housekeeping, house cleaner, house everything. So she feel them brother. So she pick up blame herself. That is all I am saying. Straight blank.
Hear people. And I hear what Anna just said. Anna come out and explain her upbringing to you. And if you as a mother can let go your ego and know, say, you know, I messed up, I need for the better, or however the case, I need for the better, I'm going to try and do better. Not Annie. Annie, I go come out and cuss her, and I go cuss her and go out with herself. But guys, we are stay to we here. So Zoe, no, there no CDA office, and we hear that a lie. Annie, I tell Annie have Zoe lock up in the house. Zoe had the little baby one where she had 14, 15, where them they catch her with the rifle down her throat. Not catch her, she video herself or she allowed the person to video her with the rifle down her throat and the person released the video. People say, I lie them, I tell Zoe, their yard, Zoe no they know it. So let's stay tuned and we're gonna see what's going on. Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. And we'll come back to hear what's the ending of the drama. Although any drama never ends still, you know. Peace.